Hey guys, it's Adam from Bury Tomorrow. We are here in Wiesbaden, Germany on the Black Flame Tour, ready for our headline show tonight. I just wanted to give you a quick view of the equipment that I'm using this run. So we've got my brand new Natal Originals Maple kit. Sounds amazing. It's got this wicked black finish. You can still see the wood. Super stoked with this. It was brand new for this tour. Guys made it for me, which is amazing. We've got two 22x18 kicks, 12x8 rack, 16x14 floor and an 18x16 floor tom. It sounds really big. All the hardware is Natal Pro Series hardware, which is awesome. Stands up to the beating that I give it every night. Also using all Remo heads now. So if you want to follow me around, we've got Emperor X on the snare drum, using clear Emperors on the toms, and two Power Stroke 3s on the kicks. Vic Firth sticks, 5B, pretty standard, but they're awesome. All the cymbals, Zildjian, obviously, best in the business. Got 14-inch hats, we've got 19-inch K Crash here. This is an 11 Splash, 14-inch Mini China, 21-inch Ride, 21-inch Crash, 18-inch Oriental over there, and another 20-inch Crash over there. Plenty of stuff for me to hit. We've also got the Roland SPDS X, which we're running the click and a few tracks through, some electronic stuff that we've introduced for this run. But yeah, everything's sick. Thank you to the companies for looking after me. And we'll see you guys at a show soon. Nice.
Do that again.